Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add products to your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you can get started logging into your account. If not already logging in, then you can create a new account, and after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started adding products that we want to sell on our store. So as you can see, the left side screen you can find all the sections that you can access. What we're looking for, guys, is this catalog section right here. By putting your mouse on the catalog section, is going to give you this new drop down menu where you can get started clicking the products option. So you have your products option, guys, where you can get started with finding new products you want to add. So as you can see here, we have some sample products that are immediately added to your store. As an example, you can delete them if you want by clicking delete all sample products option right here. But if you want to get started with adding your new products, what you want to do is either import them using the import option right here. This is going to enable you to import your products from a different store or from an Excel file and so on, or you can click add a new product. This is going to enable you to manually add a new products where you can add the main image, the angles, you can give it a name, what you want to add, and so on. Once you're satisfied with your product, just click the add option right here in the upper right corner, and this is going to add it right now, so you can manage all the info right here, such as attributes, options, and so on for your product, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.